Guys, many of our Pabbly Connect users have told us in our forum that they are facing an issue while sending numbers data into Airtable's number type fields or columns. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue, and for that I have created a workflow in which I'm sending the data of numbers from Google Sheets to Airtable. So let's see how you can resolve this. So guys, I have created this workflow, and in this trigger, I have connected Google Sheets application, and whenever you are going to add any row or update any row in this sheet, that is going to trigger this workflow and the data will be captured from your spreadsheet like this. Okay, so guys, this is my spreadsheet, you can see, and I have entered this data here, the product's name and the price. Okay, so I'm taking an example of the product and price. Okay, and I have captured the same data here. You can see the product and the price in the same format, right? Now let me show you the issue first that our users are facing. So guys, in this action step to send the data to Airtable, I have connected Airtable here and select the action event as create record. Okay, and here I have selected the base's name and the table ID. So here you can see my base name is number fields, okay, and my table's name is table 1. So I have selected the same here, and here it is asking for the product name and the product price. These are the two columns I have, product name and the product price, and this product price column or field is the number type field. Let me show you. Here you can see when I'm going to click on edit field, it will ask for the type of field that you want to add. So I have added the number type field here. Okay, so here you can set the decimal precision as well. So I have set as 1.0 as precision, and here I am clicking on save, and this is a number type field created. Right, now guys, let us send the data we have received from our Google Sheets to Airtable. For that I am going to map the data from the first step. For that you just have to click here, and from this Google Sheets tab, map the product name like this and map the product price like this. Okay, so I have mapped both of the things. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and this data will be sent to my Airtable base. Let me show you. So I have clicked on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. And here you can see guys, now the product price is changed and it is showing 81. Previously it was 81,900, but the data sent here is only 81. And here you can see in Airtable's base, let me refresh. Here you can see the data. Here it is also showing 81.0. It is not showing this full figure. It got changed here. So this is the issue our users are facing. Now let me show you how to resolve this. You just have to click here on this plus icon in between these two steps, and another action step will open up. And here we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. So search for text formatter. Okay. And then you have to select the action event as replace text. Select replace text, then click on connect. Okay. And here it will ask which text you want to replace the values within. So guys, what I'm going to do now, here you can see we have received 81,900 and we have received a comma here. So guys, I'm going to map the price first here in this text field. Just click here from the previous step, map the price. And here I'm going to remove this comma entered in between the numbers. So in the find field, I'm just going to put the comma. Okay. And in this replace field, I'm going to leave it blank. Okay, so here you can see enter the value to be replaced. If you want to replace the text with a blank, use blank tag. Okay, so guys, I'm going to keep this field empty. I just want to remove this comma. I do not want to replace anything on behalf of this comma. So I'm going to keep this replace field as it is. I'm going to keep it blank, and now click on save and send test request button. And here you will see the result in which you will get this figure with the comma removed. Okay, now you can use this result label to map this data here. So just click here and remove this previously mapped figure And from the second step, the text formatter step, map this result label. Okay. Now let me erase this data from here. Okay. And now let me click on save and send test request one more time. And here you can see guys, now we got the correct response here with the correct figure, 81,900. Let's see in Airtable how we captured the data. And here you can see guys, we got the data captured now in the correct format. Okay, so this is how it is going to work guys. So the issue got resolved here. You just have to add this text formatter step here after the trigger step, and you have to remove this comma and your issue will be resolved. Then you can easily send numbers data in a number type field inside Airtable automatically. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.